How to report an account on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to report somebody's account on Instagram. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so open up the Instagram app on your mobile device and then head over to the account that you'd like to report. Once you're in that account profile, tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then next tap on report. Then it will ask you what do you want to report, so you just need to choose either a specific post or something about this account. And as you can see there, it says your report is anonymous, except if you're reporting an intellectual property infringement. If someone is in immediate danger, call the local emergency services right away. Don't wait. And that's what it takes to report somebody's profile on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.